American designers have developed inline skates with an electric motor, rocket skates. Skates are worn over regular shoes. Each of them is equipped with a small electric motor, and electronics provide intuitive regulation of the speed of movement, depending on the position of the user's foot. The right and left skates communicate with each other via Bluetooth wireless technology, allowing them to work in sync and at the same speed. In addition, the gadget communicates with the user's smartphone, which, using a special application, will keep statistics on mileage and route, and, if desired, publish this data on social networks. The retail price of the skates is $300. This is a smart bag that can self-clean and clean everything that gets into it. The bag uses UV light and ozone to disinfect, deodorize, and kill bacteria at the touch of a button. The duration of treatment can be selected from 3 available modes: 15, 25, and 35 minutes. After that, the ozone is transformed into oxygen and the smell inside the bag becomes pleasant. Paqsule is controlled using an application for iOS and Android. Through it, users will receive notifications about the completion of the process. The device can be charged via a micro USB port, and the battery is designed for a total of 10,000 hours of operation. This is approximately 17,000 cleaning cycles. The bag is made of waterproof material. You can pre-order Paqsule starting at $229. Rebirth is essentially a treadmill crossed with an aquarium or hot tub. A real track is installed at the bottom of a large ergonomic bowl of water, and on one of the walls there is a futuristic dashboard with all the important indicators. The training is to run against fluid resistance. The device minimizes the harmful load on the body. When a person runs up to his chest in water, his weight is reduced by 80%, and there is an almost weightless effect. Such conditions are ideal for recovery from injuries, strengthening muscles, as well as sports for people with sore joints, arthritis. The water treadmill costs $89,000. Digitsole Smartshoes and insoles. The device has a number of sensors that track the level of movement, the pressure on the foot, fatigue, posture, the number of steps taken, and much more. A special module connects smart sneakers to a smartphone, which allows you to monitor various factors. It should be noted other innovative functionality of smart sneakers, and this is automatic lacing, a flashlight, and heating. Smartshoe also tells you how to reduce fatigue and injury risk, helping you optimize your daily activities. Based on the data collected, the smart shoes will recommend ways to improve walking efficiency, reduce fatigue, and reduce injuries. Such joy will cost you $450. The novelty is a cylinder with compressed air, which will allow the diver to stay underwater for up to 10 minutes. The design feature is that you can fill the balloon with air yourself using a pump. An unusual project called Scorkl is intended to serve as a fun, but can also be a useful rescue tool, as well as a working tool. The design is simple. It is a small balloon held by the mouth with a system of valves that provides breath. On-demand operation, the Scorkl is equipped with a pressure indicator to help you determine how much air is left. To fill the cylinder, a special hand pump or a compact electric compressor is used. The design includes an air filter. The canister and pump were offered for $400. Unlike conventional stereo speakers, they can work wirelessly using Bluetooth technology. At a sufficiently large distance from each other, Goduo can act as separate speakers, and when paired, they create an unsurpassed loud stereo sound, working for a long time thanks to excellent batteries. Magnetic bases allow you to attach your Goduo speakers to each other or to any metal surface. They are waterproof, shockproof, and come with a case. This makes them easy and convenient to carry. You can purchase speakers for $109. Cirkul. This bottle transforms the taste of the water you drink. For this, special flavored cartridges are used. They give flavor to the water. To feel it, simply fill the bottle with water and insert the cartridge into the top of the bottle. Passing through it, the water will change the taste. While drinking, flavored water and regular water do not mix. The one-way valve prevents flavors from entering the bottle. The cost of sets of a bottle and several cartridges starts at $24. the world's first automatic electric toothbrush. It simultaneously cleans all teeth from all sides in 10 seconds in hands-free mode. The principle of its operation is incredibly simple. To brush your teeth, the user just needs to insert the device into his mouth and press the button. Externally, Amabrush consists of 3 components. A soft, removable cleaning element made of hypoallergenic and antibacterial silicone, killing 99.99% of bacteria known to medicine, a mechanism that, by means of vibration, sets the villi in motion, as well as a special magnetic capsule that automatically foams and applies toothpaste through microtubules. When creating the shape of the brush, the researchers studied more than 2,000 different types of jaws and developed a special, flexible silicone that easily conforms to the shape of any oral cavity. Wireless charger. Charges in 10 minutes. Holds a charge for more than 20 days. Blinkers. The fixture works in the image of car headlights. In which direction you are making a maneuver, a special backlight signals. The flashing of the left or right side of the headlight turns on. Moreover, a bright white light also lights up on the front lamp, so your maneuver will definitely be visible to the oncoming traffic. The device has a light sensor. Depending on the brightness of the ambient light, the brightness of the lights on the bike is also set. The device is also equipped with a button for turning on the laser mode, which shows the safe distance from the cyclist. A set of headlights is available for $100. Knops are earplugs with volume control. We all know how much ambient sounds can interfere. These earplugs can come in handy at the construction site, on the street, and in any other place where there is too much background noise that you don't want to constantly listen to. They fit into your ears like normal in-ear headphones. To adjust the volume of background noise, there is a rotary control on the device. The volume for each ear can be adjusted separately. The gadget has no electronic filling. All levels of noise reduction are achieved due to the acoustic properties of the filters used. The cost of these earplugs is $60. Prontobev is the world's fastest beverage cooler. You can finally free up space in your fridge and get rid of ice buckets. Prontobev uses patented technology to cool your drink to a specific temperature in just 30 seconds. The gadget also includes a built-in thermometer, which allows not only to cool the drink, but to give it the desired temperature. Prontobev's interior is built from high-quality stainless steel, the same material used in the winemaking process, so it won't affect taste or quality. Such an interesting gadget will save not only your time, but also space in the refrigerator, because drinks can be cooled right before drinking. Prontobev will set you back $99. The Ollie chair is an integral part of any modern space, at home or in the office. The special design allows you to fold the chair to the state of a completely flat and thin panel, which, if desired, can be placed behind a closet, tucked under a sofa, or even hung on a nail on the wall. It unfolds just as easily, turning into a full-fledged place to relax in a matter of seconds. The back of the chair has an ergonomic shape that repeats the natural curves of the spine, which allows not only to relieve the load from the back, but also to take care of posture. The wooden slats are treated with a water-resistant coating, and the frame with folding mechanism is made of stainless steel and anodized aluminum. This allows you to put the chair exactly where you need it, not only in a small kitchen or a cozy cafe, but also outdoors, for example, on a balcony, in a garden, or even by the pool. This chair will cost $300.